The Shop Vac 5-gallon wet-dry vacuum embodies a blend of power, portability, and versatility, making it a standout choice for a wide range of cleaning tasks. With a robust 4.5 peak horsepower motor and a durable stainless steel tank, it offers impressive suction performance for both wet and dry cleaning applications. Enhanced by its comprehensive set of accessories and user-friendly design features, this vacuum caters to various cleaning needs with efficiency and ease. Rooted in American manufacturing heritage and backed by a 3-year warranty, it exemplifies reliability and quality craftsmanship, earning its place as a trusted cleaning companion. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful performance. This vacuum impresses with its robust 4.5 peak horsepower motor, delivering powerful suction for both wet and dry cleaning tasks. Whether tackling spilled liquids or stubborn debris, this vacuum ensures efficient cleaning performance. Number 2. Portable design. Equipped with a 5-gallon stainless steel tank, this vacuum strikes a balance between capacity and portability. Its maneuverable full-circumference dolly, along with top and side carry handles, facilitates easy transport from one location to another, enhancing its usability across various cleaning environments. Number 3. Comprehensive accessories. Included with this vacuum is a range of 1.25 diameter accessories to cater to diverse cleaning needs. From the 7-foot hose for extended reach to the crevice tool and gulper nozzle for targeting narrow spaces, the package is well equipped. Additionally, the floor nozzle ensures effective cleaning of different surfaces, making it a versatile cleaning companion. Number 4. Versatile applications. With its capability for both wet and dry usage, this vacuum proves to be a versatile cleaning solution for various scenarios. Whether it's spilled in the garage, debris in the workshop, or general household cleaning tasks, this vacuum is up to the challenge, offering convenience and reliability. Number 5. User-friendly features. This vacuum incorporates user-friendly features such as a touch control method, simplifying operation for users of varying experience levels. Additionally, the 10-inch cleaning path width optimizes cleaning efficiency, reducing the time and effort required for thorough cleaning. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 14 inches length by 14 inches width by 21 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Shop Vac 5-gallon wet-dry vacuum stands as a testament to quality, reliability, and versatility in cleaning equipment. Its powerful motor, durable construction, and comprehensive accessories make it an indispensable tool for tackling diverse cleaning challenges, whether at home, in the workshop, or commercial settings. With a commitment to American craftsmanship and backed by a generous warranty, it offers peace of mind to users seeking a dependable cleaning solution. From spills to debris, this vacuum delivers efficient performance with every use, making it a valuable asset for maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in any environment. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.